Good afternoon, Recon here with Techout. A couple of days ago, Android, the developer preview 4 for the OnePlus 7 Pro was released, and I'm checking that out here. I've tried a couple of these, and this is by far the best one yet. Very few bugs. There are a couple here and there, mainly being these little icons, not icons, but like there's little plus signs on the bottom corner. You can't see them right now; they're not there, but they do come up time to time. Especially when you're using the navigation gestures. I think that's what's causing it. I have that turned off right now, but they just come up in the corner and then they go away. I don't know exactly what it's for. If it was something when they were, laying out the screen, marking the edges or something like that, and it's just something that didn't get removed. So that's one of the bugs, but that's pretty much all the visual bugs that you'll see in this beta. This is again developer preview 4 for OnePlus 7. So it's not based on the latest developer preview of Android Q, which was released a couple days ago. So we should see a couple more betas, even though that was the final one for Android Q, the one that just came out. We should see a couple more betas on the OnePlus devices as OnePlus bakes in all their stuff and stuff like that. One of my favorite features in Android Q on the OnePlus is the customization section, so you can do everything from one section now. You can change your theme, your wallpaper, your clock style, your fingerprint animation, your horizon light can be changed now. You can change the color of that. You can change your button color right here. You can change your tone right here. So again, that's the same thing as the theme, colorful, light, or dark. It's up on the top and down there. You can change the shape of your quick toggle icons up here. So you can do round, square, teardrop, round, rectangle. If you have icon packs installed, you'll see them here. And you can also change between the pre-installed OnePlus icon packs. And then down here you can change your font between the Noto Sans and the State of OnePlus. So you can change between those two right there, which is very cool. I like how OnePlus finally put all that in one section instead of having to go around to the different tabs to change your customization features, which is really nice. Everything else is pretty much the same. We've got our 90 Hz display. You can toggle between those right there. Wish they would put that in the customization section as well. I guess that doesn't really make too much sense. If they put everything in there, then it's just going to be jumbled up. But the OnePlus 7 Pro definitely runs very well on Android Q. As expected, it's a Snapdragon 855 with 8 gigs of RAM. At least this model is. So no issues there whatsoever. It is performing very well. Battery life is great. The OnePlus 7 Pro, again, charges very quickly, so battery life isn't a huge issue, even if it wasn't the best, but no issues there whatsoever. Everything is performing well. All my apps have been working, and there were some app compatibility issues mentioned. I haven't seen that myself. All my apps have been working great, so no issues there. Can't wait to see what Android Q is going to bring to the OnePlus devices and other phones as well. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe down below, and as always, have a great day.